Vanakkam, welcome back to our Tamil class. I am confident that you must have practiced what we have learned earlier. In today's session, we will be exploring 3 topics. Kala Vinayadai, time adverb, Nirangal, colors, and the auxiliary verb pannu, which means do. Before we start the lesson, let us first go over the keywords we will be using today and make some example sentences with them. In this lesson, we will be learning the following words and know how these words are used to construct sentences in Tamil. Inda kade, this shop. Inda kadaila, in this shop. Taramana, quality. துணிங்க, clothes, இருக்குது, there is. Now, let us put these words together and form a meaningful sentence. இந்த கடையில் தரமான துணிங்க இருக்குது. Quality clothes are available in this shop. Please observe the next words. இந்த கடை, this shop. ரொம்ப வருஷம், many years. ரொம்ப வருஷமா, for many years. இருக்குது, there is. Let us connect these words and form a sentence. இந்த கடை ரொம்ப வருஷமா இருக்குது. This shop has been there for many years. Please observe the other words also. அப்படியா? Is that so? இந்த கடை, this shop. எத்தனை, how many? வருஷம், year. எத்தனை வருஷம், how many years? எத்தனை வருஷமா, for how many years? இருக்குது, there is. Now, shall we frame another sentence by using the word அப்படியா? அப்படியா? இந்த கடை எத்தனை வருஷமா இருக்குது? Oh really? Since how many years this shop has been there? Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. முதலாளி, owner. 2, 2. வாரம், week. 2 வாரம், 2 weeks. 2 வாரமா, for 2 weeks. ஊருல, in the hometown. இல்லை, no. Please observe how the sentence is formed by using the words we have just heard. முதலாளி 2 வாரமா ஊர்ல இல்ல. The owner is not at the station for 2 weeks. Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. நீங்க, you, honorific. எவ்வளவு, how much? நாள், day. எவ்வளவு நாள், how many days? எவ்வளவு நாளா, for how long? இந்த கடையில், in this shop. இருக்கிறீங்க, you are here. Now, try to frame a sentence. நீங்க எவ்வளவு நாளா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறீங்க? For how long are you in this shop? Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. நான், I. 6, 6. மாசம், month. 6 மாசம், 6 months. 6 மாசமா, for 6 months. இந்த கடையில், in this shop. இருக்கிறேன், I am here. Now, let us answer for the previous question. நான் 6 மாசமா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறேன். I am in the shop for 6 months. Now, listen both the question and the answer. நீங்க எவ்வளவு நாளா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறீங்க? For how long are you in the shop? நான் 6 மாசமா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறேன். I am in the shop for 6 months. Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. உங்ககிட்ட, with you. என்னென்ன நிறம்? What are the colors? சட்டை, shirt. சட்டைங்க, shirts. இருக்குது, there is. உங்ககிட்ட என்னென்ன நிறம் சட்டைங்க இருக்குது? What color shirts do you have in the shop? Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. அந்த வெள்ளை சட்டை, that white shirt. என்ன, what, விலை, price. அந்த வெள்ளை சட்டை என்ன விலை? What is the price of that white shirt? Look at the answer. அந்த வெள்ளை சட்டை 1300 ரூபாய். The price of the white shirt is 1300 rupees. Now, let us try to make another sentence by adding the following words. என்கிட்ட, with me, அவ்வளவு, that much, பணம், money, இல்லை, no. என்கிட்ட அவ்வளவு பணம் இல்லை. I don't have that much amount or money. Now, I am going to say some new words. Use these words to form new sentences by applying structure pattern we have just learned. கருப்பு, black. சிவப்பு, red. மஞ்சள், yellow. பச்சை, green. நீலம், blue. வெள்ளை, white. பண்ணு, do. சரி, alright, or okay. நன்றி, thanks. Alright, I hope you have understood the Tamil words, their meanings in English, and how the sentences are formed. Now, let us look at a small conversation. This conversation takes place between a cloth shopkeeper and Saravanan. துணி கடையில், இந்த cloth shop. கடைக்காரன், வாங்க சார், இந்த கடையில் தரமான துணியே இருக்குது சார். இந்த கடை ரொம்ப வருஷமாக இருக்குது சார். வெல்கம் சார். Quality cloths are available in this shop, sir. This shop has been there for many years, sir. Saravanan, அப்படியா? இந்த கடை எத்தனை வருஷமாக இருக்குது? Oh, really? Since how many years this shop has been there? 70 வருஷமாக இருக்குது சார். This shop has been there for 17 years, sir. நீங்கள் தான் முதலாளியா? Are you only the owner? இல்லை சார், முதலாளி 2 வாரமாக ஊரில் இல்லை. நான் சேல்ஸ்மேன். No, sir, the owner is not at the station for 2 weeks. I'm a salesman. நீங்கள் எவ்வளவு நாளாக இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறீங்க? For how long are you in the shop? நான் 6 மாதமாக இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறேன். I'm in the shop for 6 months. உங்ககிட்ட என்னென்ன நிறம் சட்டைங்க இருக்குது? What color shirts do you have in the shop? கருப்பு, சிவப்பு, மஞ்சள், பச்சை, நீலம், வெள்ளை சட்டைங்க இருக்குது சார். Black, red, yellow, green, blue, white shirts are available, sir. அந்த வெள்ளை சட்டை என்ன விலை? What is the price of the white shirt? 1300 ரூபாய் சார். 1300 சார். சரி, நான் அந்த சட்டையை செலக்ட் பண்ணுறேன். என்கிட்ட அவ்வளோ பணம் இல்லை. ஓகே, I select that shirt. I don't have that much amount or money. ஆன்லைன் பேமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க சார். ப்ளீஸ் மேக் an ஆன்லைன் பேமெண்ட் சார். சரி, ஓகே, இந்தாங்க சார் சட்டை. ப்ளீஸ் டேக் த ஷர்ட் சார். நன்றி, தேங்க்ஸ். I hope you have now understood the real life conversation and confident to start forming your own sentences in Tamil. Now, let us take a closer look at some of the grammatical elements used in this lesson. This will help you to understand and develop confidence in forming your own Tamil sentences. இந்த கடை ரொம்ப வருஷமாக இருக்குது. The Tamil sentence இந்த கடை ரொம்ப வருஷமாக இருக்குது is translated to this shop has been there for many years. ரொம்ப வருஷமா means for many years. In Tamil, when the adverbial particle "a" is added to time-related words such as varsham, year, masam, month, varam, week, naal, day, The words change into their adverbial forms, indicating the duration of time. For example, வருஷம் plus வருஷமா. இந்த கடை ரொம்ப வருஷமா இருக்குது. The shop has been there for many years. இந்த கடை 70 வருஷமா இருக்குது. The shop has been there for 70 years. Next example, மாசம் plus மாசமா. நான் 6 மாசமா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறேன். I am in the shop for 6 months. Next example, வாரம் plus வாரமா. முதலாளி 2 வாரமா ஊர்ல இல்ல. The owner is not in the station for 2 weeks. Next example, நாள் plus நாளா. நீங்க எவ்வளவு நாளா இந்த கடையில் இருக்கிறீங்க? For how long have you been in the shop? Next, the Tamil sentence நீங்க தான் முதலாளியா is translated to are you only the owner in English. நீங்க தான் முதலாளி, which means you are only the owner. To convert this statement into a closed question or yes or no type question, the interrogative marker ya is added at the end. Ya is one of the question marker used in Tamil to form closed questions or yes or no type questions. It is typically added to words ending with the vowel e or I. Adding ya changes a statement into a question without making any rearrangement of the sentence. The Tamil word முதலாளி ends with e. Therefore, முதலாளி plus ya முதலாளியா. நீங்க தான் முதலாளியா? Are you only the owner? And finally, the auxiliary verb பண்ணு. The auxiliary verb பண்ணு, which means to do, is widely used in spoken Tamil along with English verbs to instruct someone to perform an action. In an informal context, especially while speaking to someone younger or someone in the same age group of the speaker, we use பண்ணு. Like select பண்ணு, which means select. Phone பண்ணு, which means make a call. Call பண்ணு, which means make a call. Mail பண்ணு, which means send a mail. Wait பண்ணு, which means wait. On பண்ணு, which means switch on. Off பண்ணு, which means switch off. Open பண்ணு, which means open. Close பண்ணு, which means close. Think பண்ணு, which means think. While speaking politely with the elders, teachers or anyone deserving respect, the respectful form பண்ணுங்க is used instead, such as select பண்ணுங்க, which means please select. Phone பண்ணுங்க, which means please make a call. Call பண்ணுங்க, which means please make a call. Mail பண்ணுங்க, which means please send a mail. Wait பண்ணுங்க, which means please wait. On பண்ணுங்க, which means please switch on. Off பண்ணுங்க, which means please switch off. Open பண்ணுங்க, which means please open. Close பண்ணுங்க, which means please close. Think பண்ணுங்க, which means please think. Thus, பண்ணு and பண்ணுங்க functions as auxiliary verbs that help to create natural spoken Tamil expressions while adjusting politeness based on whom you are addressing. Alright, I believe that by now you have gained a good understanding of how to ask questions and respond in simple Tamil sentences. You have learned how to use question markers, sentence structures, and important suffix like ya to form natural and meaningful conversations. In our next session, we will explore a different sentence structure building on what you have learned today. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class. நன்றி.